The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Phoenix 4 for AT&T Prepaid. So this is a new phone for AT&T Prepaid. So that's the phone right there, guys. So this phone recently came out for AT&T Prepaid. This is a budget smartphone, guys. So do keep that in mind. So the LG Phoenix 4 is $69.99. So keep that in mind. So it says here, live your life, love what you do, and share every moment. Now you can, because you have beauty and power at your fingertips. This is the new Phoenix 4. It has all the premium features without the premium price tag, and a device that is smart, sleek, and beautiful, right? So like I said, the Phoenix 4 is $69.99. So this is a budget phone, so keep that in mind. So let's go check out the pictures on this phone. So on the front of the Phoenix 4, you guys have a front facing camera, earpiece, your screen there, your on-screen keys for audio. On the left side you have volume buttons. On the back, I believe, is your power button there. So yeah, so there's the left side, your power button, your volume buttons on the left. On the right side you have nothing. On the back of the LG Phoenix 4 you have camera flash, power button, probably fingerprint sensor, AT&T logo, LG logo, and your speaker. This is the same phone as the LG K8 2018. Also the LG Zone 4, LG Tribute Dynasty, LG Vista 2, among different variations of this phone on different prepaid carriers. So this phone's everywhere. On the left side, like I said, volume buttons. Right side, you have a little notch to pry off the back of the phone. So the back has been moved, alright, so that is a win. Key features of the LG Phoenix 4. Vivid display, beautiful imagery on a 5-inch edgy display. Video editing, create your own movies or GIFs from the gallery with the quick video editor. Dual cameras, rear facing 8 megapixel autofocus camera, front facing 5 megapixel HDR camera. Alright, so the 8 megapixel rear, 5 in the front. Long lasting battery, stay charged for hours with a powerful 2500 milliamp battery. The battery is removable, guys, so that is a win. So the specs on this phone, like I said, this is a budget phone. It's $70 at AT&T Prepaid. So the Phoenix 4, the dimensions, it is 5.7 inches height, 2.9 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. The Phoenix 4 weighs 4.9 ounces. It has a 5-inch display, 1280 by 720 pixels. That's about 294 ppi. 16 million colors. It has 8 megapixel rear camera, like I said, with 4x zoom, 5 megapixel front camera, shooting options, app shortcuts, memory creation, GIF creation, audio shot, gesture shot, quick share, quick video editor, burst shot, timer, autofocus, lock, fast snapshot, live snapshot, selfie filter. The battery, like I said, 2500 milliamps, 12.5 hours of talk time, 16.4 days of standby time. So in about 0 to 50%, it gives about 70 minutes. 0 to 100 is about 230 minutes. So I'll keep it in mind. So I doubt it has fast charge. I doubt it. I don't think so. So let's take a bit to charge. So keep it in mind. The chipset on the Phoenix 4, Snapdragon 425, 1.4 GHz quad core, 16 GB of internal storage, 32 GB of expandable storage, of course, micro SD card, 2 GB of RAM, of course, Android 7 Nougat, probably 7.1 Nougat there. I think I said Android Oreo at the beginning of this video, but it is actually Android Nougat on this phone. I think I said Oreo here at the beginning of the video, but it's nougat on the sign. Okay, not Oreo. It might get Oreo, it might not. Who knows? So it has 4G LTE, bands 2, 4, 5, and 12, HSPA, 3G. It's world phone quad band, 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi capacity, Bluetooth 4.0, hotspot up to 8 devices, noise suppression. It has wireless emergency alerts. It takes a net SIM card, pre-installed apps from AT&T. There's a lot, because as you guys know, AT&T likes to load their phones with a lot of apps. So the apps you get from AT&T is AT&T app, select AT&T, device up AT&T, drive mode AT&T hotspots, AT&T messages backup and sync, AT&T remote support, AT&T setup and transfer, AT&T smart limits, AT&T smart Wi-Fi, AT&T visual voicemail, AT&T device help, Direct TV Now, of course, and you get Amazon Shopping, you get Facebook App Manager, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Duo, Google Maps, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Photos, Google Play, of course, Google Play Music, and you also get Google Play Music, Google Play Music TV, Google Play Store, Uber, and YouTube, of course. My AT&T provides fast, easy account access virtually anytime, anywhere. Your pre-installed web browser is Google Chrome. It has a accelerometer, proximity, ambient light, compass, no fingerprint, so there's no fingerprint sensor on the phone. It has Google Play Music as your default music player. Device Eco rating there. And what you guys get in the box is you guys get the quick start guide, standard charging brick, and micro USB cable. So there's no Type C, so you get the quick start guide, the charging block, and the micro USB cable. So there's pretty much standard stuff here. So there it is, guys, the LG Phoenix 4, now available at AT&T Prepaid for $69.99. This phone is available on different carriers. So this is a rebranded LG K8 2018 edition. So this phone is its phone is very nice. Specs on it not too bad. It does have Android Nougat. It does not have Oreo, and I don't know if it'll be Oreo or not. I don't know. Maybe it will, who knows. The LG Phoenix Plus has Android Oreo, so if you guys want to get the LG Phoenix phone with Oreo, the LG Phoenix Plus is the one to go with, because that has Android Oreo out of the box. This one has Android Nougat, so you keep that in mind. But the specs are not too bad, like I said. This would be a great backup phone and be a good first phone for a kid or whatever. So there it is, guys, the LG Phoenix 4, now available at AT&T Prepaid for $69.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.